Alright, YouTube. So this is Thanksgiving, right? This is my Thanksgiving fit. I haven't did a review in a minute. You know what I'm saying? I'm starting to get back in the J's. I like the fact that I could just walk into the motherfucking store, pick up my shit, and bounce out. You know what I'm saying? So these are the first shoes that I copped since I decided, a couple years ago, I was like, man, fuck shoes. But these are the first shoes that I copped since that decision. Fuck with these, the nines. All money in. See, this is how we do. We go 200, 100, 100, 100 for the hat. And then these motherfuckers right here, homie. This is another cop. Walked into the store, picked them up. You know what I'm saying? These were $217 after taxes. You know what I'm saying? Jordans is high as fuck, but man, I love the creativity with these. Fuck. You got like fire reds, you got military fours, you got the Oreos with the Nike Air on the back, and my biggest thing was Jordan's quality ain't good anyway, so I said fuck Jordans, you know what I'm saying? But, and I can say, compared to the Oreos that I had back in the day, this quality is 10 times better. So yeah, man, I'm getting back into the J's and shit, man. Fuck with me. Oh yeah, and the pillow is Polo. Bitch. Decided to do an unfurnished walk around in my apartment. You know what I'm saying? This right here, this is work shit. This is, I empty out my duffel bag every time I go grocery shopping. And I clearly just went grocery shopping. So check this out. Here's the kitchen. Yes, sir. You see it. You see the alcohol. But that ain't it. You know what I'm saying? We got more shit. Yeah, yes, sir. Got my coffee maker right here. We got the pantry. You know what I'm saying? Boom, pantry on. Stop it. Stop playing with me. Pantry on deck for sure. And then, yeah. Got some chicken that I'm gonna cook later. Yeah, it's regular. We're not struggling by no means. And here's some overflow shit. Yeah, that's just some overflow stuff. You gotta keep 2, 3, sometimes even 4 shit. Got my couch, my rug that I just picked up. Oh yeah, Billionaire Boys Club Supreme, all that. Yeah, whatever. Got that TV right there. This is where I sit and get faded after work. No lie. No lie. I just picked this up too. I had to cop it twice. Yes, sir. And let's go in my room. Yeah. We got a little laundry right there, bro. We got another flat screen. It's regular. Polo Bear. That's me right there. Don't pay attention to me. Don't pay attention to me. It's my closet and shit. And mind you, this is, you know what I'm saying, I didn't really clean up or nothing before this. But that's how it is, man. I'm being as raw as possible. And let's see. We got the shower. You know what I'm saying? It's clean though. You know what I'm saying? It's clean. Yeah. It's all clean. Oh yeah, and this is another. Yeah. Pay attention to this when you go over to people's house. If it's dirty, that means that's a dirty motherfucker. It's clean. washer, dryer, blah, 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 blah. Fucking laundry, cleaning stuff. And it's just me, Dolo, in this motherfucking spot. And I like what I've created for myself. That's it. Partially furnished.
Oh, shit. Here it is. 2, 3, 4, 1 more. 5.